I've modeled the first battery clip and want to create a second one on the other side of the part. To do that, I'm going to mirror the first feature. Create the work plane, go to mirror, select that feature, then the mirror plane, and that's a much better workflow than creating the sketch and modeling that part all over again. So turn off the visibility of that work plane. Now I need to prevent the battery moving in and out the either end of this new battery holder, so I'm going to create some extra features. Project that geometry. I'm going to add a couple of short little lines that I can then use to extrude. The first line, and then the second one. Now I can dimension those lines. So I'll apply one dimension, and that dimension is going to be 0.625. And it's generally better to add geometric constraints. So I'll apply a collinear constraint, and that keeps those lines in line. E for extrude, select the profile, and in this case what I want to do is make that profile extrude to a selected face, which is the top of the battery clip. Again, I want to repeat that feature, so I'll use mirror, select the feature. Now the mirror plane itself is actually turned off, but I know it's over here in the browser, so I can still select it. Click OK. There's some wires that come in and out of the battery, so I need to create some holes on the end, some openings. I've created the sketch, and I want to project the geometry, and then just draw 3 lines. Once I've drawn these 3 lines, I can dimension them. First thing I want to do, however, is center that. And the way I like to do it is to use a vertical constraint in this case, the center of that line, to the center of the projected edge. That's a good little tip to center rectangles or even a circle. The first dimension is going to be 0.75, and the second dimension is going to be 0.9. Now in this case I want to cut that profile, so I went to the extrude tool, and in this case, having selected the profile, I want to cut. There's a number of options to actually complete this. I'm going to use to selected face or point, rotate the part around, select that face, and then complete the extrusion. Now it works in this case because there's nothing in the middle of that part.